now that we got it all routed here, we're going to take the orbital sander and give it just a kind of rough coat to smooth out all the edges. So now that the whole top piece is done, nice and routed and sanded down roughly, we're going to start on the legs. Cross style. Just like that. Something simple. Cut all the boards on a 15-degree angle. And yeah, let's drill some pockets. Alright, so we got our markings. Let's do some drilling. Bench off. Put a 19-inch 2x4 here to kind of give it an extra little brace. And yeah, let's give it a seat test. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making this bench. They're nice, fun, simple, easy afternoon project you can take care of in a couple hours if you have the material. Yeah, let me know if there's any other projects you guys want to see me make. I'm having a lot of fun doing different projects that I just take off of Pinterest, so if there's anything you want me to see me make, let me know. And stay tuned for the next video.